And today, I'm coming on with a product review. So, I bought this Angela's Baked House 7 sprouted whole grain flatzza flatbread pizza crust with 7 grains, and it comes with 5, and these are like the personal size, but they had the big size, and I thought I would try them out. I got them at the Fresh Market. What it says about it, and these are the nutrition facts and the ingredients. So it only contains wheat. It doesn't contain any, well, it's sunflower oil. So if you're trying to go oil free, it does contain sunflower oil, but I'm going oil free myself, but I wanted to try these out anyways. Can't be perfect 100% of the time, and so yeah, oh yeah, see, you can go online and probably purchase them. So these are at it's like a healthy food store. It's called the Fresh Market. So I made it into a pizza with hummus as the sauce. It was spinach artichoke hummus, and then it has the little tomatoes I cut in half, and then a green pepper, and then it has some microgreens, and I put some seasoning on top. So I will show you my pizza when it comes out. I set my oven for 350, even though it said 400 on the package, just because I was afraid it would burn because it's kind of thin. And I put it on for 10 minutes. So I still have about 3 minutes left on my timer, but this is how it looks. And it actually looks and smells so good. I took the pizza out of the oven, and this is what it looks like. It does look pretty good, and you can see that the edges are browned. So I will try a slice and let you know. So I decided not to even bother cutting it and just eating it, and it is so good. Highly recommend. So it's flatzza, and I'll put it in the description below. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up.